Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your limit on Coinbase. First, open the Coinbase app. From the home screen, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Next, tap on your profile and settings. Now, scroll down until you see limits and tap on it. Here, you'll see all the current limits set on your account. To increase your limit, the first and most important step is to fully verify your account. This usually requires uploading a valid ID and sometimes additional documents. Once verified, your limits may automatically double. After that, your limits will continue to increase over time based on your purchase and trading history, how often you use your account, your overall account activity. Just keep in mind, increases aren't instant. They may take a couple of weeks to apply. The more consistently you trade or purchase crypto, the more your limits will grow. And that's it. That's how you can increase your Coinbase limits. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.